This short video will demonstrate some of the features of the Clipboard History tool, part of the Parallels Toolbox for Mac. This second video shows handoff in the Clipboard History tool working between two Macs. Here is my main MacBook Pro, which has Parallels Toolbox for Mac and the Clipboard History. I will leave the Clipboard History window open so that you can see its contents. Here is my second MacBook Pro. This second MacBook Pro is on the same network as my main MacBook Pro, and I have signed into iCloud on each Mac with my Apple ID, and enabled handoff on each Mac. I can open the Notes application and copy some text on my second MacBook Pro. Almost immediately, handoff will make this text available on the clipboard of my main MacBook Pro, and the Clipboard History tool will copy this text. The same thing happens with images. Here I will copy a small portion of this photo, and this small portion will be copied to the clipboard of my main MacBook Pro, and then the Clipboard History tool will copy this image. This also works in the reverse direction. If I merely click on some text in the Clipboard History tool, thus putting that text on the clipboard, handoff will copy this to the clipboard of my second MacBook Pro. You can see this text if I view the clipboard. I hope you have seen how useful the Clipboard History tool is. Get a 7-day trial of Parallels Toolbox for Mac and try out the Clipboard History tool for yourself. Thanks for watching.